Hello everyone, welcome to Inception. Number 1, Bharatnatyam. The right answer is Tamil Nadu. Second, Satriya. And the right answer is Assam. Next, Mohiniyattam. Right answer is Kerala. Next, Kathak. And right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, Manipuri. Right answer is Manipur. Next one, Kathakali. Right answer is Kerala. Next, Odissi. Right answer will be Odisha. Next one, Kuchipudi. And the right answer is Andhra Pradesh. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.